The DO, formerly known as Eve Devices, has made a significant entry into the monitor market with the global launch of its latest product, the Spectrum One, available for pre-order on the reputable B&H e-commerce platform. The Spectrum One is priced at $799, positioning itself as a compelling choice in the high-end monitor segment. The DO Spectrum One boasts a 27-inch IPS panel that delivers a crisp 4K resolution. This feature makes it an ideal choice for professionals engaged in graphic appearance, video editing, and high-resolution gaming. With a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, the monitor ensures a smooth and flicker-free visual experience, catering to the demands of both gamers and professionals alike. Featuring impressive brightness capabilities, the Spectrum One maintains a standard brightness of 450 nits and can peak at an impressive 750 nits. This ensures excellent visibility even in well-lit environments. The monitor proudly holds a VESA Display HDR 600 certification, guaranteeing high quality and dynamic visuals. Additionally, it excels in color accuracy, covering 100% of the sRGB color gamut and 98% of the DCI-P3 color space, making it a suitable choice for tasks that demand precise color fidelity. The Spectrum One doesn't fall short on connectivity options. It offers HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, and a versatile USB-C interface that supports 100 watts reverse power delivery. This diverse range of inputs ensures compatibility with a wide array of devices, ranging from Macs and PCs to gaming consoles, such as the PS5, and portable gaming devices like the Steam Deck. DO is positioning the Spectrum One as a direct competitor to Apple's Studio Display, underlining its versatility and high specifications. The front glass panel of the monitor is crafted from Corning's Gorilla Glass with DXC technology, reducing reflectivity and enhancing display clarity. This emphasis on build quality and advanced technology places the Spectrum One in direct contention with other high-end monitors in the market. DO goes the extra mile to deliver an exceptional visual experience with the Spectrum One. Each unit undergoes meticulous calibration before shipping, ensuring that users receive a monitor with accurate color reproduction straight out of the box. This commitment to precision calibration not only speaks to the company's dedication to quality, but also signifies an understanding of the importance of true-to-life colors for professional tasks like graphic appearance, video editing, and content creation. With its impressive specifications, versatile connectivity options, and a competitive price point, the DO Spectrum One is poised to capture the attention of professionals and gamers alike. As the monitor enters the market, it stands as a strong contender in the high-end segment, challenging established players and offering consumers a compelling alternative in their search for top-notch visual experiences. What did you like about this monitor? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.